Hey, namaste, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, in this episode, we are going to talk about mistakes that we all do when it comes to love and relationships. No matter how aligned we are with the energy of self love, with the frequency of unconditional love, we are bound to make some mistakes, and it's okay to make mistakes, but it is important to learn from those mistakes and grow in your journey to find, to attract, to manifest that true love. So in this episode we are going to focus on the lessons, the mistakes. How can we learn from those mistakes? How can we learn lessons? And how can we grow and move forward in our journey when it comes to finding and attracting the love? So, without any further delays, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to discuss is sabotaging the connection. This is something that I have seen in a lot of cases. I've seen this pattern with a lot of people. They tend to sabotage their connection, their love, and this is something that they are not realizing at conscious level, that they are unintentionally sabotaging the connection. Now, there could be many reasons for someone to sabotage their connection, to relationship. So we are not going to focus on the reasons, but we are going to focus on the blockages. Like, what are the blockages, the factors that is causing this self-sabotaging behavior in someone. So why would someone do that? It's more like you want love, you want to receive love, but your heart is not open to receive that love. You want to experience love, you want to experience that feeling, but your heart is not open. It's like you want to buy something specific, but you are not willing to go outside and explore. You are not willing to try because you're too scared. Or maybe you just want that, okay, universe, just give me that. But it doesn't work that way, okay? In order to give and receive love, you have to open your heart. You have to open yourself to someone, okay? So, self sabotaging behavior usually happens when they are trying to protect themselves. The main cause, the main factor of this self sabotaging behavior is they are trying to protect their heart, they are trying to protect themselves because of their past situations, hurt, betrayal, heartbreak. They have become so scared, like they want love, but they are so scared that if they open up to someone, it would not work out. So, before giving that connection a chance, before giving that person a chance, they sabotage the connection, sabotage the relationship. Okay. And they feel that, okay, I'm safe. and protected. You might have healed. You might have healed from your past hurt, past like heartbreak, betrayals, or you might not have healed. But the main the main thing that is stopping you from receiving that love is lack of hope, lack of that faith in yourself, in universe, that hey, you are worthy of love. I know whatever happened to you, you don't deserve that. Okay, if nobody has told you this, if nobody has told you this, you don't deserve this. Okay, whatever happened in the past, it happened in the past. That does not mean that the same thing will happen. Okay, you need to detach yourself from this fear that the same thing will happen. Okay, so you need to ignite the spark of hope within you. You need to ignite that faith, that that yes, I have faith in universe, I have faith in myself, that yes, I am a beautiful soul, I am worthy of love, I deserve to be loved, and I'm going to receive that no matter what happened in the past, no matter how toxic it was. Okay, it happened, dust it has gone. Okay, gone, let it just, so ignite that hope, that faith within you, in universe, in God, whoever you believe. Then only you will be able to detach yourself from this fear that the same thing will happen, and then you will stop this self-sabotaging behavior. So when it comes to sabotaging connection, sabotaging relationship, the only thing that is stopping you is your fear that the same thing will happen. So try to love yourself more a little bit. Ignite that spark of hope within you, that faith in universe, in God, and try to open yourself to the energy of love, no matter what happened in the past. Yeah, that's all I have for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.